Buenos dias. Today is the first day of June, and I'm about to enter this Bosque. I can't pronounce the last name. And of course, there are Colombians riding bicycles when they're not supposed to. And more Colombians. This is a beautiful park. I came here on a Sunday, which was a big mistake because, oh, there's a squirrel. And these squirrels here have big tails. And it was a big mistake because there were just too many vendors for kids. And I mean, it was just so noisy and a beautiful park. And so I left. But anyway, I have time to kill this morning because I have a plane to catch to Bogota. And my hotel had told me the park opens at 9 o'clock. Well, or 9:30. It opens much earlier. So, but anyway, it's a beautiful, beautiful morning. So it's like about 8:30 in the morning, and it's like, according to the web, it is the biggest metropolitan park in the world. It is substantial. Like I said, I can't pronounce the name, the last word. But hasta luego.